Now we are gonna unbox this parcel. uh, it's a lot. You can see it's bulgy, so let's quickly open up. So here is the parcel itself. So here we have 3 packets. So this is like 1 paisa UNC coins. You can see the condition, all UNC coins. And the second packet we have here is 2 paise. This also UNC. And the third packet we have here is, this is used condition, not UNC. Let's quickly see. It's a steel 10 paise coin. This is the smallest 10 paise. So altogether we have 3 lots. Those are this 1 paise, 2 paise and 10 paise. So this is today's unboxing. So I will catch you up with the next video. Like, share and subscribe. If you like to purchase these coins, you can visit antiquerelic.in or link is in bio. Thank you. Hit the like button.